Welcome to the U.S. Department of Energy's Energy Justice Mapping Tool for Schools. DOE is excited to share this tool that allows users to explore and produce school-specific reports based on a set of metrics. This short tutorial will walk users through this tool and the associated metrics. This tool maps all K-12 public schools, including public charter schools, as well as local education agencies, also known as school districts. Private schools are not included in this map. This data comes from the U.S. Department of Education's National Center for Education Statistics, NCES, for school year 22-23. If the school you are searching for opened in 2023, 2024, or beyond, you will not find that school included in this current mapping tool. This tool can be found at energyjustice-schools.egs.anl.gov. Let's dig in. If you zoom into the map, you will see the school district boundaries in dark gray. As you hover over the school district, the name will appear, and the school district will be shaded in a light green. Individual school facilities are indicated by a red dot overlaid with DOE's disadvantaged communities in blue. Federally recognized tribal lands, as well as U.S. territories, are shaded a dark green. The left panel enables two search options. First, you can search by location, such as a zip code, city name, county name, or school name. If you search by location, we recommend inputting a zip code. The second preferred search option is searching by school or district NCES ID. We recommend using this method to find either your school district, local educational agency, or school. If you are unsure of your NCES ID number, you can navigate to https://nces.ed.gov/ccd/schools/search/ or https://nces.ed.gov/ccd/districts/search/. Here you can type in the school name or district name, state and/or zip code. Let me show you an example. You are looking for the NCES school ID for a K-8 school that is part of the Memphis-Shelby County School District. You can enter Riverview in the school name and select Tennessee from the state dropdown. From there, the school appears and you can click on the full school name to find both the NCES school ID or district ID. If you navigate back to the Energy Justice Mapping tool, you can copy in either the NCES district or school ID number. Let's start by entering the NCES district ID number. The left-hand panel will populate with overall school district demographics and indicators. A complete list of schools in that school district will appear, and you can find the specific school you are looking for. Now we will show you an alternative search option by entering the NCES school ID number. Upon entering the NCES school ID number, the school-specific indicators will appear. These indicators note if a school is located in a disadvantaged community, referred to in this tool as DAC, if the school is in a rural location, if the school is eligible for Title I school-wide programming, if the school is designated as a community shelter, and finally, the percentage of non-white students within the school. If you hover over each indicator, a short description is provided. In this example, Riverview is located in a disadvantaged community, but is not in a rural location. The user can generate an easy-to-print and save PDF report with this information. Click on the blue Full Report button at the bottom of the screen. A new page will open with the single-page report available. Please note that this report includes the school-specific information followed by the district-level information. Users can click on the print icon in the upper right corner to save this report as a PDF. Within this report, users can also find two helpful data sources from the National Center for Education Statistics, NCES, and a link to DOE's original Energy Justice Mapping tool. If you are looking to generate another school report, you can zoom out slightly and click anywhere within the school district boundary. This will bring back the full list of schools within that LEA or school district. You can then select the school name, in this case, Avon Elementary, and the school-specific indicators plus the option to generate a full report will appear. Since they are school-specific, you will notice how the indicators have changed from the previous example. Let's demonstrate one more option to find your school facility. In the top search bar, enter the zip code for the school or school district you are searching for and hit Enter. In this zip code search, White River School District in South Dakota appears. You will see that 4 school options are listed. If we select Norris Elementary, the school-specific indicators and options to generate a full report will appear. You will notice in this example that the school falls within the U.S. Department of Education's definition of rural. Thus, the indicator says yes. To learn more about the source files used for this tool, users can click the Refresh button, taking you back to the Start page. Here, users can download 2 source files, the data source file and the indicator descriptions. The school's data source file includes all public schools within the U.S. This includes public charter schools. This file provides a variety of data that can be organized by school name, state name, local district, and much more. The indicator description file provides the description name, definition, variable name, and source. For further information on DOE's Justice 40 initiative, please visit DOE's Justice 40 initiative webpage.